Obviously, they do not know 9/11. But who knows 9/11? Personally, not in the books. Who remembers 9/11? Is are you okay? 3 or 4 or 5. Very few people. That's Gen Y. That's Gen X, Gen Y. 9/11. Some people don't even know what 9/11 is. 9/11 is when 2 planes hit the New York buildings right here. Okay? This became as big of an event as this. This was supposed to be a big event because this man was fighting against Iblis. A'udhu billahi minash shaitan, the whole globe. These people were not fighting against Iblis. What happens here? Something else. Okay? So, this is how you reset. Whenever a global event happens of this kind of catastrophe, this kind of magnitude, good or bad, if it is a global impact, if somebody can stretch it to the globe everywhere, this is going to happen. No matter where you are in Philippines or Fiji or Papua New Guinea, New Zealand, Australia, Cambodia, Vietnam, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Middle East, up Turkey, North, France, England, Canada, America, Brazil, Argentina, Chile. Everybody gets to do 3 things. Right away, status quo gets disrupted because the people in power, which are the politicians, all of a sudden, they start shaking up and down. And as soon as they start shaking, Who are they? They are the intellectual elite. So definitions get smeared. You know what smeared is? They don't matter anymore. So this came after the Victorian age. This came during the Victorian age, and all of a sudden, modernism is blatantly challenged and destroyed after the World War. This is why you want to be modern, scientific, and technology. You want to kill people, make bombs and nuke Japan. All of that. That movement that killed modernism was the technology. You know who designed the gas chambers for Hitler? Bande marne ke liye. To kill babies? Who designed the gas chambers? The Nobel Prize winner for physics. The German. He won the Nobel Prize for physics and ended up making those gas chambers which used to test how long did it take for a 1-year-old Jew to die, and then 2-year-old Jew to die, and 3-year-old, and testing it on time with stopwatches. He designed the whole physics of how a gas chamber is supposed to be constructed. So people threw this away and came into this. Doesn't matter what it is. I'm not going to bore you with modernism, postmodernism. I am going to do something else. Okay? So, as soon as this happens, when Obamas and Bushes and Rishi Sunaks and what's his name now? Oh, just spell me the spelling of the last name. The spelling? Stammer. Really? Stammer. That's his name. Stammer. I want to call it what it is. Stammer. Oh, S-T-A-R. Starmer. Okay. I like Rishi better, eh? So, it's easy to say. So, this affects these people. Anyone else under the waterfall gets affected. This comes in the shape of books, amendments in policies, literature, hence even movies. Okay? And all of a sudden, this is what Adan is doing, Aisha. Adan starts to get new definitions at her age.
Unfortunately, we are all looking for shortcuts. We don't want to that word, just
I know. Yeah.
answer the questions.
Yep.
How can I do that? How can I do that?
So Muiz was asking me, and I've told you, unless you do this, you won't be able to get this. And Quran has made it compulsory for us to do this. لِيُظْهِرَهُ عَلَى الدِّينِ كُلِّهِ هُوَ الَّذِي أَرْسَلَ رَسُولَهُ بِالْهُدَى وَدِينِ الْحَقِّ وَدِينِ الْحَقِّ. The ultimate true system. The Deen al-Haq means the only true deen. لِيُظْهِرَهُ عَلَى الدِّينِ كُلِّهِ وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ شَهِيدًا. That's it. I am testifying it and I'm enough. Oh no.